if you're fasting, then you're like me and it's 5 a.m. The last thing I want to do is make a complex meal. Ain't nobody got time for that. I'm just trying to eat for sustenance and move on with my day. For me, shakes are super easy and they fill me up throughout the whole day. And this is my go-to shake for Sehri during Ramadan. All I do is grab a blender. To that, I add a banana, handful of frozen berries, Greek yogurt, peanut butter, a little bit of coconut oil, your favorite protein powder, and then I like to use water as a base because I find if I use milk it gets way too thick and I don't feel like drinking sludge in the morning. So I use water as a base, but you can use whatever you want. Then I blend. That's it. Quick and easy. I'm not cooking anything. I'm not making a lot of noise. Well, okay, the blender is going to make some noise, but I'm not using the stove. Easy to clean up, and this is done in like 5 minutes. During Ramadan, I really don't like to cook anything too elaborate. I really try to simple it down and just get food in me for sustenance as opposed to flavor. So if you want something easy, this really does help me. It has good protein, a little bit of fat, and it really does help me throughout the day.